Hi guys, welcome back to our channel BPO Coder. If you're new to the channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. Today in this video, we are going to see how to create a cylinder column stacked chart in VBA Excel. So to create a cylinder column stacked chart in VBA Excel, we require the data as shown on the screen over here. This is the sample data from which we are going to create a cylinder column stacked chart in VBA Excel. So first what we are going to do is we are going to see the output of a chart, and then we will be having a deep explanation and the understanding about a chart by looking after our VBA editor, and we will be understanding and having the explanation of our VBA code inside our VBA editor to create a cylinder column stacked chart in VBA Excel. Now let's see the output first. So as you can see on the screen that this is our cylinder column or the cylinder call stack chart in VBA Excel. Now let's dive into our VBA editor and let's see what our code has to be written to create this type of chart in VBA Excel. So as you can see on the screen that this is our VBA editor and this is the sub procedure to create a cylinder call stacked chart in VBA Excel, and this will be the entire block of code or lines of code which we are going to use to create a cylinder call stack chart in VBA Excel. Now let's see how these lines of code will help us to create a cylinder call stack chart in VBA Excel. So the first line of code over here which says range e5.select. So as you can see that this line of code will select a single cell inside our data. So as you can see, this is our data and it will select a single cell inside our data. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to type this line of code which is active_shapes.add chart2, and inside the brackets we are going to type some parameters. These parameters will help us to create a cylinder call stacked in VBA Excel. So the first parameter is the chart value. Each and every chart has its own value. For our video, the chart type is 2. The chart value is 2. The chart value is 2, and then we are going to give the chart type. So the chart type will be the chart type which we are trying to build. In this video, we are trying to build a cylinder call stack chart or a cylinder column stack chart in VBA Excel. So our chart type will be Excel cylinder call stack. For VBA, we have to type Excel cylinder call stack. This will be our chart type. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to give the top, left and width parameters to position and size our chart inside our worksheet. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to close the bracket, and outside the bracket we are going to type dot select. Once you have written this line of code, so once you have written this line of code, your chart will be created and it will be selected. So once your chart is selected, it becomes our active chart. Now we are going to use this with block code which will help us to make it more presentable. So make our chart more presentable inside the VBA editor, so that inside our worksheet, so that we can present it to our colleagues or bosses. So what we are going to do is we are going to type with active chart, and below that we are going to type dot hash title equals to true. So what this line of code will do is this line of code ensures to inform the VBA editor that our chart has a title. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to type dot chart title dot text equals to, and inside the double inverted comma we are going to give the chart title. For this video, I have given my chart title as cylinder call stack chart in VBA Excel. You can change it as per your data, as per your preference. After that, once you have given these two lines of code, your chart title will be created. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to set some elements inside our chart. Now let's see what are these elements are. So the first element which we are going to set is to show the data labels of each and every data point inside our chart. So how we can do that? We can type dot set element, and inside the brackets we can type MSO element data label show. So this line of code will show the data labels of each point inside our chart. After that, what we are going to do is in the next line we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to type MSO element primary value grid lines null. So this line of code will ensure to remove all the primary grid lines inside the chart. And then in the next line we are going to create this table inside our chart with the legend keys. As you can see, our table has created with the legend keys. So to create this, we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to type MSO element data table with legend keys. Once you have written this line of code, your data table with legend keys will be created. And then as you can see, we have the data table and we have the data points labeled accordingly. So we don't require the access value over here. So because we have already shown the data labels and the data table inside our chart, correct? So we are going to remove the access or value access to make it more presentable. So to remove the value access, we have to type dot access, and inside the brackets we are going to give Excel value, and outside the brackets we are going to type dot delete. Once you have written this line of code, this line of code will delete the value access. After that, below that, what we are going to do is the next line we are going to type end with. So if you have followed the video till here, then congratulations that you have learned how to create a cylinder call stack chart in VBA Excel. And if you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. And for more such videos, please do visit to our channel BPO Coder, and you will be able to see many more different types of charts which you can create inside your VBA Excel. So please do visit to our channel and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. Now as you can see that we have selected our chart initially over here. So to deselect our chart, what we are going to do is we are going to select any empty cell inside our worksheet so that our chart gets deselected. For that, I have written range, then the cell, the empty cell, and dot select over here. Now, thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. Till then, have a great day. Bye.